Hi everyone, Data Pilot in collaboration with Atomcamp is offering a Data Engineering Bootcamp, which is starting in the end of December. When I stepped into this field, I was really confused as to where should I do the online courses from. There's Udemy, there's Coursera, there's edX, there's Udacity, and so on and so forth. I've done courses from these websites, and these are great. They give you great content. But there was one thing which was lacking was real-time learning. We as practical engineers in the industry understand what data engineering is and how we need to prepare you for the future. This bootcamp has so much that it's actually touching every bit of data engineering and not high level, pretty low level. What that means is we're going to go into a lot of details with hands-on labs and practices. And the curriculum is made in a way that it is in line with what's needed in the market and what technologies and frameworks you need to know as a data engineer. We're excited to add value to your skill set. Register now. Thank you.